Hey beautiful people, welcome back to Zara's Kitchen. So on today's recipe, I'm going to show you on how to make carrot chapatis in a very simple way. Kindly watch the video to the end so that you won't miss any step. So for this recipe, I've used 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I'm going to add some salt and sugar to taste. After that, we're going to mix that well until the sugar and salt is well combined with the flour. After that, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of cooking fat. So you can either use cooking fat or just cooking oil. Then you're going to mix that until it's crumbly. After that, you're going to add some carrot. I've used 1 grated carrot. So you're going to mix that on the flour and mix it well. Then you're going to add in some warm water gradually. So you're going to mix to form a nice dough. You're going to knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes because when you want your chapatis to be soft, the dough should be soft and well kneaded. After a well knead on the dough, you're going to let it rest for about 5 minutes before you take it out and roll it. After rolling out the dough, you're going to divide it into portions as shown in the video. Then you're going to fold each portion as shown in this video. This type of folding helps the chapati to have layers after frying them. So you're going to fold each portion, then you're going to let them rest for about 10 to 15 minutes before you roll them out and start frying your chapatis. You'll then roll out the dough into a nicely round shape. After that, you're going to place it on a heated pan. So you're going to pan roast it for 2 minutes each side before you put some oil. You'll then fry the chapatis with the cooking fat until they are well cooked and nicely golden brown. Kindly do as shown in this video. When the chapati is nicely golden brown and well cooked, you're going to remove it from the pan, and then you're going to repeat the process of frying the chapatis. You repeat the process of frying the chapatis until all are done, and make sure your heat is on medium. Guys, thank you so much for always choosing to watch my videos. I don't take you for granted, and for that reason, if you have any recipe you'll want me to do, kindly let me know in the comment section and I'll be happy to do it for you. As you can see, my chapatis turned out so well. They look so soft and delicious. Kindly do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section after trying. And also don't forget to give me a like, comment and share with others so that they can learn making their own chapatis at home. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Until next time, bye bye.